Hey, welcome on Crypto Mercy. Hope everyone is well today. I'm warning you right now, I'm very bullish today. But first, the intro.
Thank you.
First, I want to go through the Bitcoin chart because this retracement, this hard push down that we saw has nothing to do with traditional retracement. Traditional WXY are very rare. They happen, but they are very rare. And this is why I want to go over this with you today, because it is possible that this push on the downside is the bottom, and I'm gonna explain you why it can be. First, when you try to calculate the destination of this Y wave right here, what you have to do is to put your extension Fibo on top, on the 0 point, on the W, and one other click on the X. And what we see for this Y is that perfect target has been reached here, the 1.618, which is 30,498, but the price been lower a little to around 29,990 something. But the point is that what I found is that the RSI on the weekly created a new low, which for me is indicating that we are probably creating a new cycle pattern right now, and this wave right there can be wave 2. And this is really important because it's opening new doors for more upside. Also, we already knew that this wave 5 right there has to go make reach some target, like important target. But right now, this is opening door for a possible new cycle wave 3, which is a game changer for me right now. It doesn't mean that we are not gonna go lower. This is important to understand that, because a WXY can turn in a WXYXZ, but usually those kind of pattern happen at the end of a bear market. It's the last phase of a bear market, like we can see here, and it's why I'm not sure, but everything is possible. It is possible that this will be the play of the market makers, and it is why we have to check this out. I'm gonna show you quickly. If this happens, we will have something like this. It's always good to take a look at the bearish scenario, because we will be prepared if we are going lower. And I want to show you a destination for this for sure. Let's take out this. Let's clear everything. All right, we are ready. I'm gonna change this color here to be sure that you see a little bit better. Okay, perfect. Okay, like you can see here, I'm showing you this pattern because it's important to find, to be able to know where the trap can be. We have to figure out, you know, the possible retracement here on the X wave. And for that, we're gonna take the Fibonacci right here on the top of X, and right there on the Y point. And those X used to have the 0.382 or the 0.618. They're usually top target for X wave. I'm gonna put this red box for you here at 48,231. Okay, and we can imagine exactly here this at 41,000 X wave, because I'm gonna take out those blue lines. The second X wave right here. Same for the first one. Usually you will reach 0.382 or 0.618 on the Fibonacci. Imagine that we are going on the golden fib right there at 48,231 on this new X wave. Okay. We will have to find a probable target for this Z wave to make one click with the extended Fibo on top, one click on the Y, and one other click on the X wave. Let's do that together. At the same time, you're learning with me, and this is very important. Do that right here. Sorry if it's moving fast. One click here, and one click on the X. And let's be sure we insert the good, which is 48,231. We were close, but all right. Now we are exactly on this possible target. But like I said, 0.382 is another possibility too. They can play this. This will be not so fun, but it is possible. But this is, it's important to me. It doesn't mean that we are going. I'm telling you the probability are low, but they can play that, and we have to just be careful with this trap zone here and this trap zone there. All right, now we have a possible destination for the Z wave right here. I'm gonna put a green box now. Most possible target are the 0.618 at I'm gonna tell you that right now, at $26,691.23. I cannot be more precise than this. D100 is another one, 13,377. We also have the 1.236, which is at 5,151, and this one is impossible. Okay. A possible target will be 26,691, which, and another one that is possible is 13,400, something like this. Let's do the math. If we are coming right here at the 0.382, was there. I'm gonna take this out right here. I'm gonna put a line to be sure that we are in a good place. 41,269. All right, we are on it. I'm taking out that. And now let's bring this right here to get the target. 269. Perfect. this will bring us to 19,729. And another possible target, it is 6K, 6,415. And you remember, this is the last stop of the last bull market. And this is a big support on 6K. We've been, remember, for a while at 6K. Let's find this here. Look at this. The range here in that zone is pretty strong support. But this is a probable scenario. But for now, I just want to warn you that this can be possible, and that we must check the zone right here and right here. I'm gonna put a line for you, 48,231. Okay, we have the possible trap zone for this X wave. It can be here, it can be there, it can be, let's see, we will see. But for now, this is what we not gonna play. Because we have a new low on the RSI now, and I'm telling you, some doors are opening for more upsides right now, and I want to share that with you because we've been bear since a while. You know, a lot of people are following me and know that I've been calling this trash or crash in the abyss since almost a month, and because of the bearish triple bearish divergence and you know, all that. Now we need to get this scenario for a third wave, a third cycle wave. You remember, this is the second wave of the COVID dump. This was the end of the bear market. Top of one, bottom of two. Okay, let's draw that. Okay, this will be the end of wave three, sorry. This is wave 4, and we have wave 5. For this wave 5, I'm gonna put possible target right here. And we have this 161 that is pretty nice, and it is possible too that we will be stopped at the 100 at 64,854. But the most probable scenario are those two, the 161.8 and the 261.8 at 121,247. Yeah, you will say, Mr. Mercy, what are you saying that Bitcoin is going? It's gonna make 4x since here? Possible, but with extension, and the most probable one for me will be this one at 86,393. And for sure, after you're gonna have 5 wave inside this. Okay, it's not gonna go to this target in one shot, but it is possible that after the retracement that we have on this wave 5 here, bye-bye Supercycle. And now it's giving me, I mean, I'm playing with date right now, dates. But it is possible that, you know, like when in this scenario, like I post on Twitter. By the way, you can reach me on Twitter, and I try to answer all the questions to everyone. Wave 5 sometimes are pretty fast. You know, because a lot of momentum had been lost, and you know, they're just try to push the price without much volume, and you are creating another bearish divergence on the RSI, and boom, 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 bang. All right. Like, you know, on this wave here, if wave 2 will be strong, wave 4 will be light. And in the inverse, if wave 2 is light, wave 4 will be strong. And it's why we have to prepare, but for that, which I like. But now the things that is very important is that we have to start a new cycle wave right here. Gonna show you that in a bigger, and let's pick another color, maybe, yeah, this one. Now, with this retracement here and a lower RSI on the weekly, we need to figure out a possible target for this wave 3 right here. We don't have any choice, because if we don't go lower, this is really a possible scenario, and we have to anticipate this. And right now, if I make one click on 0, one click on the first wave, and this will be the bottom here, and we don't go lower, look at this. We'll have some problem to put my target at 129, 100,029, 826. For me, this target is much more probable. And you know why? It's because of the length of the wave. And also on wave 3, you know that 3.618 at $253,000 is a possible target for this new door that they just opened, which is which sounds crazy. It sounds crazy a lot, but it is possible. But for now, let's be more realistic with this target. Anyway, in that scenario, we will have a first wave and a second wave, and after that we'll be able to replace our target and destination. It is why we have to follow this, all right? But keep in mind that this is a new door right now, this retracement here, and it opened door for a bigger, a much more powerful super cycle, in my opinion, than I thought. Anyway, you know now, and I just wanted to share that with you. I'm always saying this. Oh damn, Mr. Mercy, you're bullish, Mr. Mercy. What's going on, Mr. Mercy? You're bullish right now? Remember, I was you were not bullish. You were spreading FUD before. No, I was telling the truth, and I was protecting your capital. I was trying to say, hey, watch out, because the eagle is going down. And I was right. Thank you. I was right. Thank you very much. Right here for the eagle, same stuff. We add this triple bearish divergence, and I warn everyone, hey people, be careful, because this is a bearish divergence, triple strong bearish divergence on the RSI, on the MOM, and on the MACD. Get out, get out, get out. And damn, 75 bucks. And this is cool, because this was the biggest support that I gave on my video before we crashed there. It's like maybe someone is listening to me. I don't know, but the market makers are speaking together. I think some people are listening to my videos, and they like to play my prediction. Be careful. Here, same stuff. Right here, the eagle retrace on the 161.8. Nope, this one no good. Just want to recheck. Gonna take this out right here. One click here, one click there. Yeah, 123 around this, which is a possible target for a C wave. Like 161.8 is another possible target, and the 0.6182 is and the 100. But now we retrace on the grip line right here, and this grip line for sure was going to bring some support right there, strong support. Grip line is not nothing. It's a grip line. I mean, it's they use this to regain momentum and slowly, you know, raise again. And this is important. I'm gonna take out this ABC wave and this one too. And this is a possible scenario too, that wave 2 is right there in front of us, and maybe we're never gonna go back to this level, this price level. It's a possibility, and you have to know that. And I told you, if they retrace and they bring us down, they will do that pretty quickly. And they bring us in between the golden fib and the 0.786, which is for me nothing else than a wave 2. It cannot be a wave 4 right here. Forget about this. This is a second wave. And now we are opening doors for the eagle to go much higher. And let's find target here. I already placed my Fibonacci for you. Yeah, everything is placed. Oh, I'm saving some time here. Let's take out this right there, the MOM and the MACD. And now we have to find a new target. It is possible that we are gonna go lower on the 1618. It is possible. And also the eagle is here on the logarithmic chart. We lost the midline of the rising channel. And this midline you saw when we lost the weekly moving average 21. We've been retracing pretty quickly because Elrond was very tough here in that zone. And Bitcoin was plunging and the eagle was very tough. I was surprised. And when the midline and the moving average 21 on the weekly became a resistance and was on our head, bye-bye, and whoop, and we retrace exactly at $65. Oh, okay, it's the EGLDUSD. Damn, it's this is an approximation of the price that people were able to buy back the eagle. Okay, the things is that, are we gonna go lower? Possible, but I want to show you on the weekly we have the moving average 7 here and moving average 9, and they're pretty dynamic right now. They're not even start to bearish cross, they just rise, and those two moving average combined, they provide extreme dynamic support, and now they are under as at 94 and $75. This is I mean, we can break that, but for now, short term, I will be surprised, really. Also, we have the moving average 21 of the 2 week that is right there at 71. There's plenty of support right there around, and it's why I called yesterday in my video 2 days ago, sorry, that the 70-75 zone was the biggest support for Elrond, and I told you to place your an order right there. Right here too, 61, big support. And anyway, if you ask me, are we going to test this? For sure, if Bitcoin is going in a W in the pattern that I show you just before, the WXYXZ, this is a possibility that we can go grab the liquidity on the bottom of the the rising channel right there. Don't forget, this is a logarithmic rising channel, and this is very powerful. And just want to replace it correctly right here. All right, and we saw at the moment that we close After that, we start the candle under this midline, and whew, it was easy. We lost the weekly moving average 21, which I was calling to be a good support, but the Bitcoin was ready to crash at that time on the Y wave, and forget about this. Okay, cool. Approximate target for Elrond on this wave 3 will be $702 and possible to $941, and the 4.236 at $1,089, another possibility. It's something that we have to consider. No choice. But let's play the game and be very realistic here. Let's put the Fibonacci. Let's grab the bottom of this wave 2. Okay. And now, most possible target for wave 4 are the 0.3, in between the 0.3 and in between the 0.5, which is in between this range right here is the most probable target. But when wave 2 are not so strong, it happened that we are gonna go grab the golden fib. But now this wave 2 was strong, which for me, if Bitcoin is in a super cycle, anyway, 0.382 will be a good target. Let's put it right in the middle to be sure. Okay, at approximate target for retracement of 4 will be 425. And now let's make the play. We're gonna take this right here, just take it out, and we're gonna bring this on wave 4, and this is gonna give us a possible target for this wave 5 here. 814 and 1053 will be a top target. And we have to take the possibility that the 1.618 will be our top in that scenario. I mean, if the wave 3, cycle wave 3 is only going to the 3.618, around 700. Okay, and sometimes we can have extension. Everything is gonna depend on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is pretty crazy bullish or not so much momentum. It's gonna, but you need to know that in those cycle wave 5 like this, super cycle wave 5 like this, they will start to be careful. They have their plan, but you can get pretty quickly squeeze. It's why this is gonna be the best play right here. Also, it is possible to play this wave 4 and buy on probable target here, which I gave you 0.3, 0.382, 0.5. And for sure, the golden fib, it's possible if Bitcoin doesn't look so good. All right. And this is my, yeah, I know it is a bullish scenario, but it is a possibility right now that we have to look at. Also, this is becoming a resistance for now. If we go higher, let's check together. If we are going higher, where are the resistance that we have to take in consideration? Let's do this right here. Place the Fibonacci. Let's turn this on the other side. And right there, at $180 will be resistance. We will have resistance very on top here, right there. Also, we need to consider a resistance from this roof line right here. the line on top. Okay, and you need to know too that this is a falling channel right here. Okay, and it can do this like that. It can go here, and you understand. And this is possible too. It's possible we go on the 0.382 and we fall more, but there's no. Oh, if damn, I wish I can buy the eagle at $20, like a couple of months ago. When $20. Oh, the eagle was $20 in December, just before Christmas. Oh, what a gift! What a beautiful gift! And we have resistance at 180. We have resistance at $205, and every fibs is a resistance. 160, 169 will be, remember 192 will be to resistance, because they were a support that I remember. And those are important right here. When you have a couple of candle close at the same place, it become a pretty good resistance, like here. And this is 188, and we have another one right here. This is a good resistance, and we're gonna have to check this for sure. And also for sure right here on the close of this double top right here at 237, you will have much resistance too. Okay, and we will anyway check all this on the monthly chart now. It doesn't look good. 11 day before the close, this will be a close of a double top on the monthly chart, but it doesn't mean that after that close we cannot, you know, rise again. And because like I told you, this is a second wave, and this is pretty cool, very healthy. And I just did that scenario that I said that this wave 3 can bring us to around $702. Oh damn, this is high. Woohoo! Okay, if you make the math anyway, it's 7x from here, 6x. Not bad. And yeah, for sure it can capitulate and be a little bit longer, you know, and maybe we gonna fall in an accumulation zone. But if we do that, just accumulate your eagle. Okay, just accumulate your eagle. If this is if this turns out to be an accumulation zone, and you know, who cares? If you buy here and you're patient, you will find the top of this wave 3 one day, and maybe sooner than you think. It is why nothing is, we don't have to be pessimists here. Short term, what are we doing? If you check my video yesterday, I was talking about a W pattern and how to play W pattern, and now Elrond is creating a new W pattern right here. And where's the neckline? Right there. I'm gonna put that in a okay. Now with this W pattern, like I told you, price might gonna do this. Okay, like that. And whoops, okay. But now it is cool because they didn't push the price here and fake out. You know, they are right on the neckline, and we will they will work to maybe make it happen and create a support zone over this W right here, which is a short-term pattern that I pretty like. I like a lot. And this is how you play breakout. If you want to swing trade, you wait for your confirmation, and the price should rise after. Now we didn't confirm this, but we are in a low time frame. But Elrond should close a couple of 3 and 4 hours candle around here, and after that, boom. Okay, and this a breakout will happen. It can be pretty quick right here to around 177, something like this. We will have to follow this for sure. I don't want this video to be too long, guys. I'm talking, but I want you to learn, and today we learn, and especially with the Bitcoin right here, you know the scenario and the doors that they are opening right now, and this is pretty important for me to share that with you. I hope you smash the likes, and thanks for being here. I think day by day we have more and more subscribers. I appreciate all the tips that you are sending me. Like, you know, in the description you have my eGOLD address. You can send me some eGOLD to more people will donate, more I will be able to spend sometimes, because now it's very tough for me to provide a video every day. And I really want to thank you, everyone. Be patient. Like I said, when it's bleeding and everyone is afraid, it's time to be a little bit more greedy. And I'm not telling you to put all your money in right now. I'm just saying it's a good sign. It's a good sign. When people are afraid, think about this. This is maybe a good time to buy some and try to start to put some liquidity in. For sure, this is not the time to sell right now. I mean, it's the time to buy. Here and here, when the price is rising really quickly, you start to ask yourself. And I remember I posted my video on YouTube, and with Miss Bitcoin, Sexy Bitcoin, Miss Sexy, and I warn you that he was market makers were laughing, and they were laughing. Bitcoin was pretty tempting here, right here. You know, everyone. But if you are not a trader and a specialist with chart, you can't even know that this was a trap right here, a possible trap zone. And you didn't know too that the RSI made a bearish divergence, a strong bearish divergence. You didn't know that 0.85 was crucial. Here, how many people bought here? This was rejected, not just a little, but many selling orders right there. And also, I'm advising you, when Bitcoin is going down like this, be careful, you know, protect your liquidity. It's not the time to play, you know, just for fun, and to you know, protect your liquidity. I mean, it's important, and you will just have more liquidity to buy the bottom. And if we go lower, I know even if you buy here at $30,000, or you bought Elrond at $75, $80, or $90, it's a pretty good price to compare where we can go from here on the top of the channel. Remember this: it's always better to buy when the price is going down than chasing the price when it's going up. Because if you don't know where's the resistance, you can get wrecked very quickly. Bye bye. This was Crypto Mercy. Cheers. I love you. Bye.